Some places on Earth are so extreme, they seem impossible. A land where the sun shows no mercy, where silence stretches for hundreds of kilometers, and where survival is a battle every single day. But hidden beneath this endless sea of sand lies a story that will change the way you see the Sahara Desert forever. Welcome back to Info and Techniques. Today, we're setting out on another extraordinary journey, this time to one of the most mysterious places on Earth. At first glance, the Sahara Desert appears to be an endless sea of sand, where scorching heat and endless dunes stretch to the horizon. It seems like a place where life has always struggled to survive. But what if everything you thought you knew about the Sahara was wrong? What if this vast desert was once a land of crystal clear lakes, flowing rivers, lush grasslands, and incredible wildlife? Join us as we uncover the astonishing story of how the world's largest hot desert was once a land of crystal clear lakes, flowing rivers, lush grasslands, and incredible wildlife. How did one of Earth's harshest environments become so different? Today, the Sahara is one of the most extreme environments on the planet. In some areas, summer temperatures can exceed 50 degrees Celsius, and many regions receive so little rainfall that years can pass without measurable rain. Yet scientists have found overwhelming evidence that the Sahara has not always been this dry. Over long periods, it has repeatedly alternated between greener and drier conditions, largely influenced by changes in Earth's orbit and axial tilt. These gradual changes affected the strength and reach of the African monsoon. When conditions were favorable, seasonal rains extended much farther north than they do today, transforming large parts of the Sahara into a thriving landscape. Around 10,000 years ago, the Sahara entered its most recent green period, known as the African humid period. As monsoon rains expanded northward, lakes filled, rivers flowed, and vegetation spread across much of the region. Ancient mega Lake Chad became one of Africa's largest freshwater lakes, covering an area many times larger than today's Lake Chad. Vast wetlands, grasslands, and woodlands surrounded these waters. The Green Sahara supported an extraordinary diversity of wildlife. Hippos lived in rivers and lakes, elephants roamed the woodlands, giraffes grazed across open savannas, and countless other species flourished in an ecosystem that looks almost unimaginable today. Humans also called this landscape home. Ancient rock paintings discovered deep within the Sahara depict people hunting, fishing, herding cattle, and even swimming, providing strong evidence that many parts of the region once contained abundant water and supported thriving communities. So what caused this remarkable landscape to disappear? Around 5,000 years ago, gradual changes in Earth's orbit once again altered the African monsoon. As rainfall steadily shifted southward, lakes began to shrink, rivers dried up, and vegetation slowly disappeared. Over thousands of years, woodlands gave way to grasslands, and grasslands gradually transformed into the desert we know today. It was a slow but powerful natural process that reshaped an entire continent. As conditions became increasingly dry, many communities migrated toward regions where reliable water remained, especially the Nile Valley. There, favorable conditions later supported the rise of one of history's greatest civilizations, ancient Egypt. But this ancient story also carries an important message for us today. Scientific studies also suggest that the Sahara has expanded by about 10% since the early 20th century, although its boundaries naturally fluctuate from year to year. If land degradation continues unchecked, millions of people could face growing challenges to their homes, agriculture, food security, and livelihoods. The transformation of the Green Sahara happened naturally over thousands of years. Today, however, many regions around the world are experiencing increasing desertification at a much faster pace. Unlike the ancient changes, modern land degradation is strongly influenced by human activities, including deforestation, unsustainable farming, overgrazing, and human-driven climate change. Across the Sahel, the region bordering the Sahara, many communities are already facing the loss of fertile land as vegetation declines and drought becomes more severe. Fortunately, efforts to restore damaged ecosystems are already underway. One of the most ambitious is the Great Green Wall, a continent-wide initiative working to restore degraded landscapes across the Sahel through tree planting, sustainable agriculture, and ecosystem restoration. The story of the Green Sahara reminds us that Earth's climate has always changed, but it also reminds us that our actions today can either protect or damage the natural systems that sustain life. While future natural climate cycles may once again reshape the Sahara over thousands of years, the choices we make today will determine how healthy our planet remains for generations to come. From the Amazon rainforest to the Sahara Desert, Earth's ecosystems are deeply connected. Our planet is not simply a collection of separate places. It is one interconnected living system, where every forest, river, grassland, and desert plays an essential role. If this journey captivated you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Together, we'll continue exploring Earth's greatest wonders, one story at a time. And remember, we only have one planet. Let's protect it. This has been Info and Techniques, uncovering Earth's hidden stories, one wonder at a time.